I'm Michael Joseph with Joseph Tree out of Columbus, Ohio. We've had the Confidence Plus program for about a year, and it's a brilliant program. It allows us to work in our business instead of for our business. Maintenance problems with equipment is a big issue for us in the past. And the Confidence Plus program takes all of those headaches and frustrations off of our plate. It gives us a budget we can work with. And once you factor in buying filters, buying all the oil, and then your labor, it's a brilliant program. It's a no-brainer in terms of cost effectiveness. When our sales rep first talked to us about it, my initial thought was, no, it's an extended warranty program, and it's completely wrong. It's not that at all. By having the Confidence Plus program, Vermeer comes to our job sites. With the chipper behind me right here, we had an electronic issue. Within that day, the tech was able to swing by, had the parts on the truck and swapped out, and we were never out of service. You'll see the benefits of the program within the first 6 months, if not sooner than that. With the phone support that we get from our sales rep and from the mechanic at Vermeer Heartland, and we have records now of all the PM that was done on our equipment and the scheduled hour meters and the intervals that everything that got done. So when we go to sell this piece of equipment or trade it in, it's all been on paper, all that was done to care for this piece of equipment. It's simple. With Confidence Plus, we receive the best service and we're rewarded with the best relationship, and that is priceless. So we'll use it for all of our equipment going forward.